Are you still using Windows 10 and you are either in the European Economic Area, EEA, or in the UK? Then there is good news. You can still get security updates from Microsoft even after the official deadline. That's right, even though support for Windows 10 ended on the 14th of October 2025, Microsoft's extended security updates programs is still working. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to enroll your device so you're still getting security updates safely. Now, it's a simple one-time process. It works both for personal and corporate computers, and the steps are identical. All you need is a Microsoft account. And if you don't have one, don't worry. I'll show you how to create an account as we go through the process. All right, let's jump onto my screen and I'll take you step by step on how to enroll your Windows 10 device and continue to get security updates. First, click on the Start menu, type Updates, and right there you can see Check for Updates. Click on that. You come to the new window. Now, this particular laptop has not been updated. It doesn't have the latest update. I started on this one because I wanted to show you how it would still work even though those updates are not there. So you scroll down. I'm in the UK. You scroll down and then you enroll in extended security updates. You click Enroll Now. And here you are, enroll in extended security updates to stay protected. Support for Windows 10 ended on October 14, 2025. Now, you can see the date here is the 21st of October. So let's go through this and see what happens. So it's already saying enroll to receive critical security updates now that support has ended. That way you have more time to decide on your next PC, worry-free. Okay, let's go. Now, it's asking me to sign in, or if you don't have a sign-in, create one. Now, creating one is quite simple. It will be just the usual where you go, you decide what email address you're going to have. But let me click on that. So it will ask you to create a new email address, and then you go through the steps of creating a password, and then you'll have a Microsoft account. Now, I already have one, so I don't need to do that. I'm going to enter my email address, and obviously I'll pause here because I don't want my email address going out to everybody else, as well as my password. So it's now asking me to use my different options for logging in. I'll use one of my preferred methods. Add this device to receive extended security updates. It has picked up on my email, which is enrolled in Windows 10 extended security updates program to receive security updates on the selected device. So I'm just going to say, oh, by the way, notice it says extended security updates, no extra cost. So I'll just add the device. And it's done. So it says this device will now get extended security updates through October 13, 2026. This PC is signed up to me, is enrolled, receive security updates. Stay up to date by viewing your device's enrollment status settings. Done. So that's it. You can see now that message has gone. I'm still on the Windows Update screen. It has now allowed me to do that, and I have updates that I'm going to now download, and then I'll update my computer, and you can now see that the updates are coming down. That's it. Your Windows 10 system will now continue receiving security updates, keeping you protected even after the original October 2025 deadline, which was October 14th. If this helped you, please subscribe or follow, especially if you are in the Manchester or Bolton area. We share simple tech tips to keep your business secure and your devices running smoothly. And remember, this extended security update program gives you time, but it is always smart to plan your Windows 11 upgrade when ready. Thank you very much for your time.